How to withdraw money from Moonpay. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Moonpay. Enter your login credential, as in your email address and the password, and log into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this home page. Once you are in here, now what you want to do is, first of all you have to complete the verification in order to unlock buy, sell and swap. Once the verification has been completed, the next thing you want to do is head over to any of the tokens from here that you want to withdraw. Let's say I want to withdraw Bitcoin. Click on it. It will be landing you on this page. You will see three different options: buy, sell and swap. But what you want to do is tap on this three dot over here. You will be able to see the option of send. Click on it. It says send from your browser. So if you click on it, the Moonpay site will be opened in the web browser. You have to log into your account. After that, you have to choose the specific account in which you want to withdraw. Enter all the detailed information of your account. Also enter the amount that you want to withdraw. Once you have entered all the information, tap on send and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can withdraw money from Moonpay. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.